Hello everyone, in this video we'll see you how you can change currency in Etihad Airways. Open your web browser and navigate the official Etihad Airways website. Look for the section, the website where you can search and book flight. Start flight booking process by entering your travel details such departure, city, destination, travel and dates and number of passenger. While you are entering your travel detail, you should be an option to select your preferred currency. The option is often located near the top of the booking from the within setting. Mean lock from dip down many currencies simply where you can choose the currency. Once you click where you can choose currency you want to use for the booking, click the drop down mean all currencies symbol and select the currency you prefer from the list of available options. Etihad Airways typically support various currency accommodate customers from different countries. After selecting your preferred currency, continue with flight booking and process. Usually enter passenger detail, choose your flight, proceed of the payment section. When you reach payment section, you should see the total booking amount displayed the currency. You select early complete payment using chosen currency. Thanks guys for watching this video.